Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how to insert a SD card into your Motorola Moto G82. For that, you're going to need your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip. With that, you're going to open the SIM card slot. No SIM card found. Yes, that's because we took it out right now. And then you take your card and carefully put it in, and then take the whole thingy and put it back in the phone. You gotta make sure that it's really locked again. And then we gotta enter our SIM card pin again because we took it out, put it back in again. So we need to unlock our phone. 4 times 0. Now the SIM card is unlocked again. We have service, as you can see. And now we'll go to our settings and go to storage. And now when you're in your storage, you can see this device. So we have 18 GB used. And then we can go to send disk SD card. And this one is empty. You can fully use it. And that's how you know that your SD card is in your phone. That's how you put in an SD card to your Motorola Moto G82. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye!